Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox games that might not be immediately visible to you. We'll explore Roblox's content rating system, which helps ensure players find experiences suitable for their age. Understanding these ratings is key to accessing a wider variety of games on the platform. We will also discuss how your account settings influence what games you can see and play. To broaden your access to games, you'll need to adjust your account settings. First, log into your Roblox account and find the Settings menu. Within Settings, look for the Privacy tab. Here, you can modify various controls, including your age visibility and the types of experiences you can access. Remember, these changes affect what content is displayed to you. For accounts with parental controls enabled, a parent or guardian might need to adjust settings. Roblox offers robust parental controls, often secured by a 4-digit PIN. This PIN prevents unauthorized changes to account restrictions. Parents can use these tools to set specific content filters, ensuring their children play games appropriate for their age group and comfort level. While exploring a wider range of games, always prioritize safe and responsible play. Be mindful of the content within games and your interactions with other players. Roblox has community guidelines designed to keep everyone safe. If you encounter anything inappropriate or concerning, please use the reporting tools available on the platform. Enjoy your gaming responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.